It's pumpkin spice season at Starbucks, and so I got myself the pumpkin spice cold brew. Let's give it a try. Wow, it's good, but it's definitely not keto friendly. Let's make it keto friendly. We are gonna start out with half a glass of cold brew. Doesn't matter what size glass you're using, it will always be half of the glass. Now the first thing we're gonna do is add our vanilla into that cold brew. Oh my goodness. So, the first thing you wanna do is grab your vanilla extract and pour that straight into your cold brew. Here I have the Latte monk fruit sweetener drops. I love these because I literally just keep it in my bag, and anytime I go to a cafe, I just put a few drops in my coffee, stir it up, and then I'm not having to worry about having bad sweeteners. Tastes really good. I personally love it. You can use stevia in this recipe if you don't have this or you're not interested in buying it. But if you are interested in buying it, go ahead and click the link in the description. You'll see it in the ingredients. It'll take you to the Amazon cart where you can go ahead and buy it. And by the way, I do get a commission if you do purchase it using that link. It doesn't cost you any extra, but it does help me and this channel. So thanks for that. All right, we're gonna go ahead and add about 8 drops of this sweetener into our cold brew. Let's whisk it all together. So today I'm using my portable milk frother. I love this. Honestly, I just got it off of Amazon. It doesn't really cost that much and I use it all the time. We're gonna put that to the side now and we are going to grab a clean glass. Make sure it's a tall glass because we're gonna froth it up a little bit. And we're going to pour in our cream. Make sure there are no additives. It is just 100% pure cream. You can check by looking at the back of the ingredients. Next, we're going to add a little bit of water. This is just going to thin it out a little bit so it's not super thick. You don't want to be making whipped cream here. So go ahead and pour just about half of the amount in. We're going to use about a tablespoon later. So save about a tablespoon of water, put that to the side, and grab your pumpkin. So yes, we are using a little bit of pumpkin in this recipe. I know technically pumpkin isn't keto friendly, but it adds a really nice flavor into this recipe, and there's such a tiny amount in it, it's really not gonna make a difference. So go ahead and pour that in. I should have just washed my hand. Ugh, canned pumpkin tastes weird on its own. You can buy canned pumpkin from the grocery store. You can buy it online. You can also make it yourself. And I have a video right here. If you click on that link, it'll take you to that video and I'll show you how I make my favorite canned pumpkin. It's basically just pumpkin puree. So use that if you like, or just buy it yourself, either one. All right, next we are going to add in our, guess, just guess. Yes, pumpkin spice, duh. That's like the heart and soul of this recipe. What would this be without pumpkin spice? Add it in. Next, you're going to add just a little bit more cinnamon. You don't have to do this, but I love cinnamon so much. Now, you're going to take some more of the monk fruit sweetener, make sure it's the drops. You could also use stevia, like I said before, and you're just going to put about maybe 2 to 4 drops in. You don't want it to be super sweet because we already have a lot of sweetness in that cold brew. So just a few more drops. That's gonna sweeten up the cream just a little bit. Now you're going to take your portable milk frother or a whisk if you don't have a portable milk frother. However, having this is a lot easier. And you're just gonna whisk it all together. So you have to be really careful when you use the whisk attachment because it can over whisk kind of quickly. So keep a really close eye on your cream while it's whisking. You don't want to turn it into whipped cream. However, if that does happen, you've got a little bit of water that you can pour in and just give it a very quick mix through. That's just gonna thin it out a little bit. You want it to sit on top, but also kind of drizzle down into that cold brew. You don't want it just sitting on top the entire time. So thinning it out a little bit will help do that. All right, now you're going to take your cold brew, put your cream to the side, grab some ice, pour that in there. Now you're going to take your cream and just pour it on top. Woo. And dust it off with a little cinnamon or some pumpkin spice, whatever you like. I love how it just falls right into there. Let's give it a try. Honestly, better than Starbucks because it's keto friendly. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like this video, comment on this video if you have any future video suggestions for me, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos just like this one. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. See you later.